Damn, he's going faster than Tony on the raft. Damn. Okay, don't get tired. Relax, Cody. Cody, hang on to the raft.
Cody, hold on to Tony's raft.
Oh my God. I just seen a shark. Yeah, right.
But Cody needs to get a break.
He just saw a shark.
Hang on to the raft, Cody.
What?
Are you okay?
Has a shark coming? I'm not playing. Dude, there's literally a shark. Throw the raft out there, man. Throw it. Throw the raft. Throw it. Watch it. Next up. Next up. Throw it. Throw it. What the heck? Keep doing that. Dude,
And you don't want to get tickled in the water.
No, no.
No, not when you're chin deep. We don't know. All right, y'all go on top of that raft.
you're cold.